Welcome to Smowltech's channel. Today, we're learning about an incredibly useful tool for HR professionals, the HR Business Model Canvas. This tool revolutionizes how you visualize and implement your HR strategies for recruitment and talent retention. Stick around to learn how you can use it to enhance your organization's HR framework. The HR Business Model Canvas is an innovative adaptation of Alexander Osterwalder's traditional business model canvas, tailored specifically for human resources. This visual framework helps HR leaders and company management assess and refine their strategies, focusing on creating significant value for both employees and candidates. Structured around 9 critical criteria split across 4 main areas: target audience, added value, necessary infrastructure, and economic viability, this model prompts you to center your strategies around your customers, who in this case are your potential and current employees. The primary goal here is to enhance the employee experience, thereby boosting the company's outcomes and competitive edge. This involves identifying strengths and weaknesses in your HR strategy, defining detailed candidate profiles, optimizing resource allocation, and measuring the impact of your HR initiatives. Let's break it down with some practical examples. In the traditional canvas, customer segments helps define your target market. For HR, this translates into pinpointing the employee segments most aligned with your corporate culture, enhancing recruitment precision and reducing turnover. Another example is the value proposition section, crucial for aligning your HR activities with the company's broader objectives. This could mean developing specific training and development programs that support career growth and meet employee expectations, ultimately fostering loyalty and productivity. Implementing the HR Business Model Canvas involves mapping out these elements to form a cohesive strategy that addresses everything from employee onboarding to professional development and conflict resolution. By adopting this canvas, your organization can achieve a more structured and effective approach to HR management. It allows for a clearer understanding of how each HR activity contributes to overarching business goals, ensuring that every initiative is both strategic and cost-effective. Interested in integrating the HR Business Model Canvas into your organization? Head over to our blog for a more detailed guide and additional examples to get you started. And if you're looking for tools to support your HR strategies, don't forget to check out Smowltech's innovative proctoring solutions. Request a free demo today to see how we can help enhance your training and assessment processes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated on all things HR. See you in the next video.